Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. Alright, so today we got a very special video for you. We have one of the best portable power stations around, and it's the Anker 511 portable power station. This thing has a whopping 2700 milliamp hour battery, an AC port that can handle 100 watts, and USB-C ports that can handle 45 watts. And it has your regular USB and even a flashlight to boot. So we're going to go over all that later. First, let's get this thing unboxed. Then I'm going to discuss the specs with you guys while we're doing that. And then we're going to put it through the ringer. I'm going to attach as many devices as I can, like some cell phones, my laptop battery, and we'll see if this thing can really handle what it says that it can do. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. You guys, stay tuned. All right, now let's get this thing unboxed. Flip it up there. And this thing is pretty heavy. I mean, it's not something you probably want to carry around in your backpack. I mean, it wouldn't be a problem, but it's definitely going to add some weight. All right, this is a lot bigger than the picture. Yeah, when I saw the picture, I thought it was about half this size. So this thing is massive. This is definitely a portable power station and just not some little small battery pack. Wow, that is insane. Look at that. This is definitely something you want to take camping, traveling. Look at that, the AC port there. 100 watts. 2 USB ports. And 1 USB-C port. Now, I wish they had 2 USB-C ports, but it's fine. The regular 2 should work fine. So I'll just be plugging in one cell phone today with USB-C and then the other one with a regular USB-A port. Flashlight here, which is very cool. Let's see, what is that? Oh, that's our AC light. Some kind of probably power button. Let's press and hold. AC on and off. All right, cool. You got some kind of funky grip here. Fans at the bottom. I really like that you have a built-in strap. And then what is this here? Oh, that's for the flashlight. Cool. Oh, nice color too. Oh wow, you got the flashing. It's definitely got the symbol IQ on it. And this thing is a powerhouse. I mean, like I said, the pictures don't do it no justice. I thought it was about half this size. All right, so pretty simple. So pretty much, you can just plug in a device like a laptop here. And then you can run 4 devices all at one time if you'd like. So I'm going to put my cell phone, my laptop, and then we'll see what else we can find here. So that is pretty nice. All right, so let's continue. All right. Happy? Not happy. So far, I'm happy. User manual. Quick and easy. Nothing too complicated. I like it. All right, this is going to be how we can charge it here. Let's see, what do we got? What do we got? All right, nice little. Okay, we got a USB-C port or cable. Sorry. Nice. Oh, came with an included USB-A to USB-C. Great. Actually, really like that. Thank you, because for my testing today, I brought 2 USB-C ports, thinking this would have 2, and it didn't. But with that included, I'll be able to continue my testing. That is pretty cool. All right, let's get the battery nice, sleek. Oh, look at that. The charger is really nice. Very sleek. Perfect. It's a USB-C as well. Looks good. I wonder if you can plug this in here and route it back and it charges itself. Okay, all right, that's pretty much it with the unboxing. All right, now we'll go over some of the specs while I get it tested. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously get this thing charged up. It's such a huge battery. Now, online, nowhere in the manual is it telling me how long it takes to charge this thing, which is a little bit weird. I'll continue looking, or I'll just measure it now. I got a feeling it's not, it's probably got some charge in it, so my first charge might not be as accurate. Now, one cool thing that I saw is that you're going to charge this thing through the USB-C port in the front. But this thing could also supply power, which means that port there is bidirectional, and that's really cool. It saves just an unnecessary extra port somewhere, so you can actually charge through it and also receive power back. That's pretty cool. Thank you for that, Anker. You are awesome. All right, so power's in. You got a blue light there. Let's see if it changes when we plug in here. Okay, this blue light is staying. Okay, let's see if we get any kind of light indicating we're charging. There we go. All right, cool. We get those little spinning dots there. So as you can see, 3 of them are solid. So this thing's about 30% full. And I will assume that we'll go all the way around until it's done. All right, so that's going to take a little bit of time, which is fine. But I'll still be able to run some tests. So I'm just going to let this sit for a little bit, and we're going to see how fast this can charge. Now, this can accept up to a 45-watt charger, which is what this is. And that's about the fastest charging you can get. And you can also hook this up to a solar panel, which is probably got to be 45 watts as well, and charge it as well. So that's also cool. So you got multiple options to charge. All right, so we're going to let that sit, and then we'll continue on with testing. All right, so while this thing is charging, we're just going to go over some of the specs here directly from the Anker website. So this has a built-in 100-watt wall outlet. You can charge mobile devices, laptops, drones, cameras, and small appliances, all from the single compact power source. You got USB-C port that was bidirectional, as I mentioned earlier. You got 2 USB ports and a 100-watt AC outlet, as I said already before. You can now charge up to 4 devices at once, as long as you don't go over, I believe, 160 watts total. We got the 27,000 milliamp hour capacity battery that's able to charge a 2020 MacBook Pro 1.5 times. And you can also charge the MacBook Pro from the USB-C port as well, which is really cool. It's got high-speed charging, so we got the 45-watt USB port to fully charge in just 2 hours. So that can charge a MacBook Pro in about 2 hours. And what you will get pretty much the lanyard and everything here. So I wanted to go over this too. This comes with a nice little carry-in case as well that feels really good. It's got the Anker brand on there as well. Now, there is something too that it says you can do. You're going to be able to press this button once and twice. And it said it had something to do with if you're going to be using these ports to charge like AirPods or any kind of earphones. So, but they did not make it clear what these buttons do. So I'm actually going to be looking into that as well. But we'll let this charge up a little bit more. I'm going to plug in my laptop, a phone, and we'll plug in something to the USB-A port, maybe 2, and we'll see if everything can charge. So far, I'm really liking this. Okay, let's get all the devices hooked up and see if this thing really works. All right, what do we got here? Let's go ahead and pull the power cable out. Still haven't let this thing fully charge because it's probably going to take forever. All right, so first things first. Let's go with USB-A port in. All right, as you can see, red light came on. We're charging. One's in. Next, another USB-A port. Bam. AirPods charging. We still got the phone charging. All right, lights are on. This light always cuts off, so it's still charging, don't worry. All right, and you still got the phone charging. Let's set those here. Set those down like so. move this over a little bit so we can see a little better there. Let's get you a little closer. All right, next up. Now, the USB-C port connected to the iPhone. Let's go. Come on. 3's a charm. Woo! All right. And we are charging. You can see the icon, 83% charge. All right, so all 3 are still on. Charging. Now, last but not least, let's get the AC charger plug. Now, it's already in the laptop. Slide it out like so. Pop it out. And we're going in. Just playing. All right, now that we're in, we have to press this button first because it's not going to charge. But before we do that, let's just make sure everything else is still charging, which it is. The light's still on. All right. I mean, just look at that. Look how many devices can be plugged in. That is insane. All right, if this works, Anker, you will be my new favorite brand. All right, let's press and hold. AC light is on. Boom, there we go. We actually got the green and then the orange light, which means we are charging. Let's check here. We'll disconnect and reconnect just so I can show you guys that it's still charging. Perfect. This phone light stays on. This one doesn't, but you can see up top the charging symbol is good and the computer's still good. So there it is. Everything is still charging. That's with the battery only at probably 40 or 50%. So it looks really good. The fans haven't even cut on yet, so I guess they don't need those at the moment until probably the temperature starts to widen. All right, so with that said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video today. Anker, you've outdid yourself. This portable battery pack is going to go with me everywhere. I'm either going to keep it in my backpack or in my car. If I go on any trips, camping, this is coming with me. This is absolutely fantastic. And look, let's turn the light on too. How about the flashlight? Just like so. 5 things with power. It doesn't get much better than this. So for about 160 bucks, all the way up to 220, just shop around. I'll put the link in the description to where I got it from Amazon, and we'll go from there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. I want you guys to have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.